Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cooking racks is probably one of the most underrated tools in any baker's arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. From perfectly cooled cookies to evenly roasted vegetables, these racks are the unsung heroes of the kitchen. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cooking racks, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you find the perfect match for your baking adventures. Number 5. Ultra Cuisine Stainless Steel Cooling Rack Set. This set of 2 cooling racks is made of food-safe, professional-grade stainless steel. It features strong, heavy-duty wire grids with small holes and smooth edges. The design ensures even cooking and cooling every time. The racks are 100% stainless steel, making them easy to clean. You can safely wash them in the dishwasher without worrying about rust. This ensures long-lasting quality for your baking needs. This cooling rack is oven-safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. You can confidently roast, bake, grill, smoke, dry, and barbecue with it. The high heat tolerance comes from its 100% stainless steel design. It's designed to perfectly fit large 13 by 18-inch half-sheet baking pans. The dimensions of the baking rack are 16.5 by 11.5 by 1.0 inches. It's a perfect addition to your bakeware collection. Each cooling rack comes with a complimentary recipe ebook. It includes over 100 recipes for delicious treats and savory meals. Try it out and bake like a pro for a lifetime. What we like. This rack is built to last with its heavy-duty stainless steel construction. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-clean rack that can handle high heat, this is the one for you. What people say. 2 in a pack, sturdy and heavyweight for durable use so far. We use it like a broiler pan rack as well as bacon, roasting, and cooling and on top of our grill. It perfectly fits a quarter-sheet baking pan and our 11 by 13 roaster. I've used them to bake all kinds of different things like meat, baked goods, vegetables, egg rolls and tons of other stuff. I use them as cooling racks, and I always wash them in the dishwasher. And when I got these I was looking for racks that were strong and sturdy, and that I could put in the dishwasher without having to worry about them rusting. And these get AA++, they don't warp or anything, they are very sturdy, they can be used for many different purposes, and one of the best things for me is that they don't rust not even a single tiny speck. The rack is very sturdy and does not warp when heated as many other racks do. I like the fact that it is raised high enough above the baking sheet that foods do not lie in a pool of grease. Fits nicely inside my baking sheet. Number 4. Checkered Chef Baking Sheet Pan and Cooling Rack. Introducing the perfect combo for your kitchen. This set includes an aluminum cookie sheet and a stainless steel wire rack. Use it for healthier meals or baking your favorite treats. This stainless steel rack is designed for any situation. Whether it's in the oven or cooling down cookies, it's built to last. It's a versatile addition to your baking essentials. Say goodbye to burnt bottoms with this baking tray set. The superior heat conductivity ensures even baking, and the rolled edges prevent warping. It's designed for durability and consistent results. The large wire baking rack and sheet pans are designed to work together seamlessly. The pan measures 18 by 13 inches, and the rack fits perfectly at 17 by 12 inches. They are designed to work perfectly together and superbly apart. Both the oven rack and cookie sheets are machine washable. This saves you time and effort in the kitchen. Spend more time cooking and less time cleaning up. What we like. This set offers a complete solution with a pan and rack designed to work together. The sturdy pan prevents warping, ensuring even baking. If you value convenience and want a set that's easy to clean, this combo is perfect for your baking needs. What people say. The racks are sturdy and well-made. They fit perfectly in my oven and are easy to clean. The spacing between the wires is perfect for baking cookies and other items. Number 3. Ultra Cuisine Half-Sheet Pan Set. This set from Ultra Cuisine is perfect for all your cooking and baking needs. It includes a half-sheet pan and a wire rack, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The baking sheet is made of durable aluminum, resistant to warping and rust. It's oven-safe up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it can handle various recipes. The included rack is made of 304-grade stainless steel, built to last. It can withstand high temperatures and supports your food with its sturdy design. Both the pan and rack are food safe, non-stick, and free of harmful chemicals. You can bake with confidence, knowing that it's designed for your health and convenience. With this set, you can achieve professional quality results in your own kitchen. It's designed to make your baking experience enjoyable and successful for years to come. What we like. This set features a durable, oven-safe design, ensuring it can withstand high temperatures. The sturdy stainless steel rack provides excellent support for your baked goods. If you are looking for a reliable and safe option for all your baking needs, consider this one. What people say. Nice quality and great smaller size. The feet on the rack are only an inch, but higher than most and keep the food out of the grease and allows for good air circulation. Cooks meat better. Easy to clean. Perfect for steaks in the oven. Number 2. PriorityChef 8.5 by 12 Stainless Steel Cooling Rack. This cooling rack is designed to fit perfectly into any quarter sheet pan. It provides the ideal surface for baking or cooling your favorite treats. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen. This rack is built to withstand high temperatures, making it perfect for oven cooking. Constructed with durable stainless steel, it can handle whatever you throw at it. It's a reliable tool for all your baking needs. Made with commercial-grade 18/8 stainless steel, this rack is built to last. It's resistant to rust and free from any toxic coatings, ensuring the safety of your food. You can trust it for years to come. Cleaning up is a breeze with this dishwasher-safe rack. Simply place it in the dishwasher and let it do the work. It saves you time and effort, making your cooking experience more enjoyable. This cooling rack is made to be a long-lasting kitchen companion. It's designed for durability and backed by a guarantee. You can rely on it for all your cooking and baking adventures. What we like. This rack is designed to fit quarter sheet pans perfectly, maximizing your cooking space. It's oven safe up to 575 F, making it ideal for various cooking methods. If you have a smaller oven or prefer using quarter sheet pans, this rack is a great choice. What people say. This is the ideal size for my large oven and a toaster oven. Exceptional quality. Seems well made. Fit the big turkey roaster perfectly as a rack for roasting the turkey. Will be useful for many baking projects. I make a whole lot of chicken wings and use these trays to bake the wings in the oven. They are fantastic. Great tool, the wings don't really stick to it and it allows the grease to drip right through to the baking sheet underneath. Number 1. KPKitchen Baking Sheet with Wire Rack Set. This set is perfect for all your baking and cooking needs. The cooling rack fits perfectly into the half-sheet pan, making it ideal for cooking bacon or cooling cookies. The set includes removable silicone feet for the cooling rack. These feet protect your baking sheets and countertops from scratches. They are oven and dishwasher safe. The aluminum baking sheet is made with heavy-gauge rust-free aluminum and reinforced with steel wire. It can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and is large enough to fit many cookies at once. It is easy to clean by hand. The cooling rack is made of high-grade stainless steel and fits perfectly in the baking pan. It's dishwasher safe and designed with a tight grid pattern for ample airflow. This is great for cooking bacon in the oven. This baking sheet with wire rack set is a great addition to any kitchen. You can use it for baking cookies, cooking bacon, roasting vegetables, and more. It also comes with a 3-year warranty. What we like. This set includes unique silicone feet to protect your countertops from scratches. The pan is warp resistant, ensuring even cooking. If you want to protect your kitchen surfaces while enjoying a sturdy and reliable baking set, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Edges are curled very nicely and completely. Rack has not rusted, silicone feet have not melted, and it is easy to use in both the oven and for cooling. If you want perfect bacon, just use one of these baking sheets. Just preheat oven to 450*, lay out bacon on the wire rack, put into oven and lower heat to 350* for 18 to 20 minutes. The KPKitchen pan is literally heavier, by about 3.5 ounces, and therefore thicker and stiffer than the Nordic ware. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.